Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will cook ginataang langka with pork and shrimps. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, ready na tayo sa ating pagluluto ng ginataang langka with pork and shrimps. So first thing, meron akong oil dito. First, iprito muna natin itong shrimps. Guys, just a quick frying lang ang gagawin natin sa shrimps natin. Is the red onions and then the ginger or luya. Then maglalagay ako ng 3 pieces of sili kasi gusto ko yung medyo maanghang yung ating ginataan na langka. And then the pork, garlic powder, then black pepper, then salt. Then a little bit of water. Then cover and simmer it for about 5 minutes.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, after 10 minutes of cooking sa pork, ayan, malambot at saka luto na yung pork natin. And then next, maglalagay ako ng 1 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. And then, meron ako ditong 2 teaspoons of patis. And then, ang ating langka or the young jackfruit. And then, magdadagdag tayo ng tubig. Takpan natin ulit guys, and then hayaan nating maluto ang ating langka for about 5 minutes.
A few inches later.
Ngayon tikman natin guys ang ating ginataang langka. Then more salt. And then this time ihalo na natin ang ating shrimp. More black pepper. And then meron ako dito ngayong 1 1/2 na coconut milk. And then the green and the red bell peppers. Takpan natin uli guys and then simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Tikman natin guys ang ating ginataang langka. Magdadagdag ako nito ng patis para panimpla. For about 1 tablespoon. And then more sili. Tanan! Okay guys, luto ng ating ginataang langka with pork and shrimp. Guys, sa pagluluto, depende na sa inyo kung ang preference sa panlasa, dagdag ng asin or dagdag ng patis, so nasa inyo na. Okay guys, tapos na ang ating ginataang langka with pork and shrimp. Ayan. Yee! So, tikman na natin ang ating niluto na ginataang langka with pork and shrimp. Talagang nakakamiss itong pagkain, klaseng pagkain ito guys, na talagang Pinoy. Pinoy na Pinoy. Sarap. Yung patis at saka konting suka ay nagpadagdag sa ating panlasa sa ginataang langka with pork and shrimp. Okay guys, tapos na ang ating pagluluto sa ginataang langka with pork and shrimp. That's all for this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel. Bye for now. I love you guys. Bye! Ginataang langka with pork and shrimp.